Hey team, it's Nicole here,
And Mark?
and we've decided to start up a YouTube channel called Team Tried It. We're mostly going to be doing product reviews, but we do have a very busy backyard, so you will see videos of raccoons and skunks. Also, our cat Jelly will be making a few special appearances as well.
Yeah, as you can see, he likes to walk in front of the camera when we're filming, so rather than refilm, we just run with it, and so you'll see him in and out of our videos. I like to 3D print, so I'll be printing some different types of products, letting you know if it's worthwhile print or not, and where I found it, and who made the print. We're going to do review videos. We're just going to try a bunch of different things with this channel, see where it goes, hence the name Team Tried It. If you guys could like our videos, we greatly appreciate it. Subscribe would be awesome. If you have any comments, that'd be great. We'll just do our best to entertain you and inform you. So I hope you guys enjoy what you see.
And thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, thank you.